Ang feeling ko yung hindi ko akalain na mangyayari is mako-connect-connect ko lahat.
Right.
Kasi akala mo like yung mga journey mo ngayon, hindi siya related.
No?
Pero when you look at things like, look back, related siya lahat.
Hi everyone! So welcome to
Hello!
Kwentuhan with Doc Kulot. This is episode 4 at kasama natin ang nag-iisa, ang pinakagwapo, pinaka-fresh, Dr. Mike D!
Hey everyone! Hi!
Bilis ka usap. If you watch my previous episode for Kwentuhan with Doc Kulot, ay na-mention ko po that there was a medical student who inspired me to become a medical doctor. At ako po na-meet yung isang person na nag-encourage po talaga sa akin mag-medical school as Dr. Mike D. Ayan. So, si Dr. Mike D ngayon ay isang successful dermatologist. Pero at that time, he was a student leader. At this is the guy that I've been talking to. Ayan.
Ako ba talaga?
Oo, Baysap. So, paano nga ba tayo nagkakilala, Doc Mike?
So basically, medical student ako noon sa Ateneo, and then may research ako, guys. So yung research ko involves creating parang a contraption that collects the energy of the sun and then i-reflect siya doon sa tubig, tapos madi-disinfect yung tubig, tapos okay na siya, parang safe na siya inumin.
Yes.
Aluminum panels na ilalagay doon sa device na dinesign natin. Pumunta ako sa university nila, ZA. So, second year? Kanon? Nursing?
Fourth year na.
Fourth year nursing siya noon. And then, nandun siya that time. And then, nagtotalk ako. And then, bilang Bibo kid, Bibo na talaga siya, guys.
Normal ka na po yun.
Totoo. Like, sa mga group na nagsasalita doon, siya talaga yung nagpa-pay attention. Tapos, pagkatapos ko magsalita, in-approach niya ako, tapos sabi niya, bale dito, pwede itong gawin natin. Siya yung nagpa-plan na parang ganyan. Ito po yung pwede natin gawin ganyan. Nakilala ko sila basically from a volunteer project. Tinest namin yung water. Positive siya for fecal coliform. So essentially, people there were drinking contaminated water. Maka-afford mostly yung mga tao doon na mag-disinfect ng water nila. So parang we offer them something that they can actually do or create for themselves para ma-disinfect yung water nila. Ang tinawag namin sa group na yon is I Can.
Yes.
Because galing siya sa Can. Kaya tinawag namin is I Can Make a Difference. Hi Ron! Nasa medical school din si Ron.
Yeah. Back then, we were nursing students sa mga parang leader na talaga nung isang org namin. And then, parang tinitingala na talaga si Doc Mike. Since then pa lang, ang daming mong achievements natin, Doc Mike. Since then, hanggang ngayon, na marami sa amin ay na-inspire. Wow! Naiyak ka ba?
Pero guys, ganun yun. So, parang ano siya. So, yung nag-start sa Can, so parang ang dami kasi talagang nagtulong or tumulong na community, and kung saan sila pumunta pagbalik nila, may mga isang truck na silang mga cans na patapon na nadala. So parang doon nakita namin nag-mobilize talaga yung community to help another community. So parang nag-start yun, parang sabi ko tapos humakot pa sila ng mas marami pang volunteers hanggang lumaki yung group. So, sabi ko parang kailangan natin i-formalize to.
Yes, into an organization talaga.
So, kaya naging I Can Make a Difference siya. Buhay pa rin siya hanggang ngayon,
In
guys.
fairness, no? Literal po na cans na kinolect namin nung kolehiyo, and then subsequently na form ang organization. At that time, kami po ay naturally vloggers na.
Oo, sila, guys. As in, like, hanapin kaya natin, no?
No, ang daming
Mag-react ka dun sa video na yun. So yun, guys, from one project to another.
Right.
So parang solidify yung bond namin. Pare-pareho kami ng mga trip, mga gano'n.
Yeah. Kita ko talaga yung involvement niya sa community. Saan nanggaling, Doc Mike, yung parang community love? Kasi ikaw talaga ang parang feeling ko core memory ko ng isang medical doctor. Totoo.
Thank you so much. Meron kaming community talaga. Fourth year namin, magsistay kami doon sa community na yon for 10 months, I think. I forgot na. And then, uuwi lang kami pag may mga exam. So, doon kami, like, with the people talaga.
People, the community.
Right. So, parang syempre, ilang years ka na pumupunta doon, nag-grow talaga sa'yo yung community.
And the people,
Right.
their stories.
Exactly.
No.
And kasi as a medical student, you're given the visibility.
Correct.
Nakikita namin usually is the health problems of the people. Kasi yun po ang nabigay sa atin na visibility ni God and ng academe natin. So marami ka din makikita talaga mga social inequities and health inequities
No.
also. Pero guys, at the end of the day, akala namin when we started, akala namin matutulungan namin yung community. Actually, it's the community that actually helped us. They really changed
Mobilize
us.
talaga sila din.
Like, right. So, parang sila yung naging teacher namin. Akala namin kami yung tumutulong sa community. But, sobrang laki ng naitulong ng community sa amin. Like, for me, like, it really changed me how I look at things. Mas appreciative ako sa mga things na meron ako. Kasi sila, like, may mga families talaga na pumupunta kami sa bukid, like, house to house talaga. Hindi sila, like, sinasabi nila talaga, like, Doc, nakakain kami lang once a day lang. Pero ihahanda talaga nila yung mga saging nila.
You know, you're quite famous in TikTok.
Sure.
Your Azaleen talaga is really there, you know, telling stories about their acne journey. Ano yung mga bagay na sa isip mo na hindi mo akalain mangyayari or magagawa mo pala?
Ang feeling ko yung hindi ko akalain na mangyayari is makakonect-connect ko lahat. Kasi akala mo like yung mga journey mo ngayon, hindi siya related.
No?
Pero when you look at things like, look back, related siya lahat. Like, negosyo nila dati or yung trabaho nila is yun, para silang mangingisda. So, meron silang fishing. This foundation na na-involve tayo is Yellow Boat.
Yeah.
Community ko, Lakewood. May
Water,
malaking body of
yes,
water.
water.
Kung bakit tayo nag-meet, di ba? Kasi gusto natin i-disinfect ang water. Tapos ngayon, nasa dermatology ko ako. Tapos yung isa kong physicist na friend, sabi niya, alam mo ba, Doc Mike, yung skin natin, para lang siyang cells na nagpo-float on water.
No?
So parang related siya lahat.
Lahat.
Because of that, doon ko na-realize na walang aksidente sa life. Kung nasaan po tayo ngayon, na-meet ko Ziza and everybody, and sa ginagawa ko ngayon, related po talaga yan somewhere. I think that explains a lot my spirit as an innovator. I would like to go there like the water, di ba? Pag barren and dry, doon pupunta yung water. And then, very flexible. And then, yun yung spirit ng innovator kasi it's like a water, very fluid. And it informs a lot of things around me. Wala akong, parang hindi ako nakarelate talaga sa father ko. Kasi, honestly like, for me, parang hindi siya naging good father for us. Isa siguro yung dad ko when he started his business as a young person also. Ito rin yung mga problems and struggles na pinagdadaanan niya. Ang nakarelate ako sa dad ko, maybe not as a father, but maybe as a young man trying to make it on his own. And the same tenacity and the same motivation ang nilagay niya just to get to where he was before and to be able to provide for us as a family.
You really pave way for us, Amang. Kasi,
Wow.
totoo, parang when I saw you creating your name in dermatology, parang nakaka-encourage kasi,
Let's do it, guys.
yes, with the same tenacity. I have the word for today, same tenacity. But really, Amang, I mean, thank you really for encouraging me.
Sa tenacity, guys, believe ako kay Doc Pulot kasi ang dami pinagdaanan nito. Kasi nag-medical school siya sa kabilang island.
Kasi hindi kita pinalo.
Putting yourself in medical school tapos kailangan mo mag-work.
Niyakan ko talaga, sabi ko, ayoko siyang balikan. Pero yun din yung memory ko na nandun yung daddy ko. Alam mo, kompleto pa kami. Para ang hirap mag-move, ang hirap hindi dalhin. Pero ang bigat nun at ang grabe, hindi madali talaga yung medical school talaga sa mga katulad namin na yung ano talaga, yung parang provided lang ng family, yung team
Right.
scholar.
Di ba ikaw pa?
Pero ikaw talaga, Amang, ang aking core memory of a good doctor.
Wow, thank you so
Maraming salamat talaga, Amang. You were a medical student at that time. I was a nursing, graduating ako sa nursing. Hindi ko alam talaga anong gagawin ko. Pero I saw an inspiration before. I saw a model. Literal. Model. I saw a model before me and naengganyo talaga ako. Tapos hindi pa ako dumiretso ng med school kasi amang. Tapos
Right.
nung pinag-iisipan ko siya, sabi ko, si Doc Mike nga, he's making a difference, sabi ko.
Wow.
So parang gusto ko din ng ganun. And sabi ko nga kanina, it was all worth it kasi every day in, day out, meron kang natatouch. Kahit isang buhay lang, okay
Right.
lang. Kasi
Very important.
alam mo namang yung life na yon is also a valuable life. No longer the number of people.
Right.
It's really the quality. No longer the bigger the circle of friends. It's really the ones who staying. So similar to patient care. Hindi na siya importante, marami. Ang importante,
The quality. Very
yung kahit yung
important.
isa lang,
Yeah.
pero napakinggan mo na maayo. Best kind of care ang binigay mo.
Actor na si Za, parang nag-isa-isahan na silang nag-follow. So,
Yes.
parang feeling ko na-inspire sila kay Za. Yung mga kasama niya, nag-med school na din. So, ngayon si Ron. Sino pa ba ngayon?
Sina Michael.
Right, sila
tapos,
Michael. Sobrang
si
dami from the
Steph,
group, guys.
yeah.
So, parang volunteers na kami dati. Like, kung ano-ano lang ginagawa namin. So, tapos parang nag-cascade na siya. Parang siguro na-inspire din from each other na parang kaya pala ni
Yes,
Za
no?
maging doktor.
Maganda yung spirit of volunteerism and yung community of young people. I think na-encourage talaga ako ng sobra-sobra dahil. Na-encourage talaga ako na makita ko ang isang tao. Parang ang sarap ba i-multiply. Tapos, yung buhay mo pala, nagiging example din siya sa susunod sa'yo. At ang
Right.
dami na naming future doctors talaga, no, from the organization, nakakatuwa
Yeah.
talaga. Thank you so much for the friendship talaga.
Thank you so much also.
Maraming salamat.
For staying.
Yes, no, ang tagal na naming magkaibigan since 2011. Wow.
2011?
Yung official friend. Kung babalikan ko siya, ang daming mga people na gusto kong pasalamatan. Isa ka na doon. And also, thank you to Ate Grace also.
Hi, Grace!
And thank you to my Team Bagets. Tapos, salamat sa I Can Make a Difference po ng mga volunteers na sumama sa amin mag-grow. Kasi literally nag-grow kami through our experiences together. So I'm really, really grateful. At yung kung ano man ako ngayon, ito po ay nanggaling dun sa mga experience ko from the past. So I'm so, so blessed to have you guys.
Thank you so
And-
much. We are mutually blessed, I guess.
I love it!
Bye!